You're looking at a 2019 Hyundai Tucson. All-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 30,000 miles. This vehicle's in like new shape. Absolutely no stories. Was just traded in for a Tesla. Still under full factory warranty. The numbers right there. Black exterior, gray cloth interior. It is all-wheel drive. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup camera, Bluetooth, CD, MP3. I'm sorry, no CD player, just MP3, Bluetooth, USB auxiliary, adjustable drive modes, cruise control. Exact mileage is 33,266 miles. Nice clean car. Absolutely no stories. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. Thank you.